About this item Rose note, this VGA to HDMI adapter only converts the VGA signal to the HDMI signal and is not bidirectional. It's a plug and play and doesn't require any drivers. Rose 3.5mm audio output. This adapter comes with a 0.6mm auxiliary cable for easy transfer of audio through its 3.5mm audio port, providing clear sound. Rose compatibility. With its micro USB port, this adapter can be used with a variety of VGA devices such as Ultrabooks, Chromebooks, desktops, Raspberry Pi, laptops, notebooks, Intel NUC, and Blu-ray discs. Rose stability features. This adapter features a built-in AG02/MS9288C digital signal conversion chip, which is more stable than similar chips found in other products. It greatly reduces screen flickering and black screens during signal transmission, ensuring uninterrupted work and entertainment. Rose VGA to HDMI conversion supports resolutions up to 1920 x 1080 at 60 Hz, 1080p Full HD, including 720p, 1600 x 1200, and 1280 x